The greater good.
Hey everybody, Greater Good Mining here. So, right after my buddy RPM did his video of his KS3M glitching out and repasted it and seems like it fixed it, now my KS3M is glitching out. I think maybe RPM was jealous of my hash rate and maybe a little mad that I covered his banner up with my shelf. Sorry buddy, I'll be moving these things around. Just haven't had the time. So anyway, alright, we got blinking red lights on. I don't know if you can see it, but it's D1 and D3 are blinking. That means I've got a fan error, and this is Fruition Designs kit. So it's saying all 4 fans are at 0, and I doubt that all 4 spoofers failed at once. So it kind of makes me think something's wrong with the control board. I'm not 100% sure. That's just my guess. So I'm gonna have to crack this thing open. So I have a backup KS3M control board, and I have a few backup spoofers that I can test. So I'm going to do some testing. This is going to be like a vloggy testing video to see if I can get this KS3M back up and hashing again. It's been down for a couple days. It's a little frustrating. So I'm going to take it apart and we'll see what we can do. I've already tried factory resetting it several times. Usually after trying a couple times, factory reset, if it doesn't work, it's donezo. And I mean, repeatedly it's saying the same thing. The fans are saying 0 and it's saying abnormal fan speed, and I'm getting any hash rate 0 accepted shares. So let's crack it open and like see what we can do here. See if we can get this thing hashing again. Quick word from our sponsor, and then the next thing you'll see me doing is cracking this thing open.
You know quantum computers. You know blockchain. But do you know both together? Dynex was the first platform to create a neuromorphic supercomputing blockchain-based algorithm which solves real-world problems. And the best part? Anyone can post a job, whether a company from the Global 2000, a machine learning job, or fintech and pharmaceutical. And if you don't want to program it yourself, get an expert directly at the marketplace. Run the job and be impressed by the fast result.
Okay, welcome back. So I got the, it's a stock KS3M control board from Iceriver that I've had sitting around as a backup. I'm going to take the cover off and we'll swap this control board in to start with, just to see if I can get this thing up and hashing. That'll be my first step. Let's go for it. Alright, we're in. And there's the old one. We're going to pop that out. Take off all the fan spoofers. There they are. I really would be surprised if all 4 of them failed at once, so that's why I'm going to try this control board. Let's pop these all out of here. I've done this a lot of times, so if you guys want to check out other videos where I tell you what to do, I've got multiple Fruition Designs kits, install videos. I've got the KS1 to like Franken KS2 video. I'll leave links in the descriptions for videos that show you like how to take these apart if you're trying to do the same thing, but you'll void your warranty. Don't forget that. So be prepared for that. Oh, hey, forgot I put an RPM sticker on this one. Maybe that's why this thing broke down. Because I put the RPM sticker on the side. I'm cursed now. Thanks a lot, RPM. Put the spoofers back in there. Okay. I'm not going to put the cover back on. I'm just going to go plug it back in and see if it fires up. See if I can get the IP report and see if it'll start hashing. Okay, flipped it back on, waiting for it to boot up. Give it a minute and see what happens here, and we'll log into it with the Iceriver web GUI. Fingers crossed it'll just work. Okay, so I was still getting the D1 and D3 lights blinking, saying fan abnormality, and the fans are all showing 0. and I'm going to try just a couple spoofers. I don't have 4 backup spoofers, I only had the 2. So I put those in, and we'll see. It'll still say fan abnormality, and it might not hash, but maybe it'll at least show me in the web GUI that 2 of the fans are working, because it doesn't seem to be the control board. Maybe it is the spoofers, or maybe something else altogether. So just going through some stuff, trying to see what I can get figured out. If it shows that 2 fans are working, I might have to steal a couple spoofers in the meantime from my Franken KS2 to run my KS3M, get a little more hash rate out of it. I could even convert one of the, maybe the KS2 back to like stock fans temporarily until I can get this thing back up and running properly. So anyway, I'm going to see how we do with the 2 brand new fan spoofers and see if it'll show up in the web GUI that there are fans working. So the 2 new spoofers showed up in the web GUI and the 2 old ones did not. So that tells me that the fan spoofers were the problem the whole time. I am wondering if maybe there was some sort of electrical surge. I've had a lot of storms here in Florida, so it might have possibly shorted out the spoofers. But I put 4 new spoofers in, so let's see how that turned out. Did this thing come back to life or what? Okay guys, so check it out. I stole some fan spoofers out of my poor Franken KS2. And now I'm not getting the red D1, D3, I'm getting the blinking light, and let's check in the web GUI. Sorry, it's probably blurry. All 4 fans are working basically, long story short. So, looks like that was the problem. Very surprisingly. Doesn't seem to be the control board. It was somehow all 4 fan spoofers failed all at once. So you never know. This is why you just got to try to troubleshoot. If you guys need help with troubleshooting, hop into my Discord. We try to help each other out in there the best we can. There's a lot of smart people in there. Come check it out. It's a lot of Kaspa ASIC stuff, but we talk about all kinds of stuff, FPGAs, GPUs, all that. Okay, so I am checking on my KS3M in the new Iceriver monitor tool that T-Swift is providing to the community. That's also in my Discord. Check out this video right here. I show you how to where to get the tool, download it, and I show some testing, further information and everything like that. So yeah, check it out. It's a very useful tool. I also go over some troubleshooting tips in this video on how to troubleshoot your Kaspa ASICs. Just some simple tips, but they're very helpful, hopefully, for everybody in the community. Here's my repasting video if you want to learn how to repaste your KS3M. Right now, it's about 43 degrees outside in Florida, so my temperatures are okay on my KS3M hashboard chips. These are the chips right here, and so they're fine for now. But I keep saying this. I don't know why I'm putting it off so much, but I need to repaste. I will repaste my KS3M at some point, and I'll show you guys some results from that too, but I just haven't had the time. And for now, they're running okay because it's cold in Florida. But I'm happy I got my KS3M up and hashing. Hopefully this video was at least interesting to you, maybe a little bit helpful. Check out some of my other videos. Like I said, I think they'll be helpful to you too if you have an Iceriver Kaspa ASIC. Anyway, hit the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you found it helpful and you want to check out some of my other videos and see what I got coming out in the future. And don't forget to keep it decentralized for the greater good.
The greater good.